C.S. Singh sir, Principal of Banpurwa branch, Dr. A.K. Chaube, Principal of Church, S.K. Chaube, Principal of Ghorabar, N.K. Srivastava. For you, the annual report of Swami Harsevanand Public School, Jagatganj. It is about nurturing the curiosity and the confidence of a student secure. First rank Anushka Gupta 95%, Vardhan Sirsiwal 92% and Guru Dutt also. 25 in 24-25 this year, many students secured 90%. Priyanshu Agrahari 90%.80, Priyanshu Chaurasia 92.40, Nishant Arya 91.60%. Parideh Singh 90.80% and Gunguna Agrahari 90%. So winning is not everything, but participation makes everyone a champion. Our students proven their sportsmanship spirit. Mentioned that our players represented the school at the district and national level, bringing the our student Soumya Yadav of class 7 played Carom under 18 national. She secured third position in state and second in state level. And going for international at Maldives. Harshit Casey, class 10, played Carom under 18 national, got third position in 2024 and also 25. Rishita Casey played national in Carom and state, secured third position. In this sequence, our next champion is Piyush Kesri, playing the skating in 24 and secured first position in 500 and 1000 meter. Recently now 22 secured first position in 500, second position and 1000 meter. Our students have shown their talent in boxing. Shri Prakash Yadav of class 10 played national in 2024 and state in 24, secured first rank. Shri Dayal of class 9 also played the district level and secured second prize. In Taekwondo, we have another gem of Kushi Rai of class 7. So annual sports meet a vibrant display of discipline, teamwork and energy. This year, annual sports was the witness of active participation of approx 250 students. Our school organized the grand annual sports featuring march past, torch lighting, drill. Students participated in inter-house competition and secured medal in athletics, kho-kho, kabaddi and etc. Learning goes beyond the classroom. A memorable highlight was the school's meeting where the students learned about the leadership, civil responsibility and administrative functioning. Swami Harsevanand believed in the holistic development of every child. Throughout the year, the school organized various literary, cultural, artistic events, debate, poetry, recitation, dance, music, art, exhibition. These ceremonies where the student council took oath to uphold the school values. Special celebrations were held: Independence Day, Children's Day, Environmental Day, Yoga Day. These events help students to discover and express their hidden talent. Our students have taken part in singing competition of inter-school conducted by Bharat Vikas Parishad, where students secured second position. Bharatiya Sanskriti referred to as ancient and rich culture heritage of India, which is based on values like respect, discipline, harmony and spirituality. The Bharatiya Sanskriti exam conducted every year in our school to help students learn about the value, tradition, heritage of India. While writing the exam, students should follow the clear and well-organized pattern. The school organized summer camp featuring the art and craft, dance, yoga and personality development. These camps offer students a perfect balance of fun learning during the holidays. We are proud of our past institution, we have started the science stream in our school in 2023-24. The year 23 to 25 has been the journey of growth, learning, togetherness, with the continued support of our manager, sir, the guidance of our respected principal, our teachers, and deserve the appreciation for the tireless, dedicated, and innovative approach of cooperation of parents. SHPS continue to move ahead the confidence and vision. Let us look forward to another year of excellent enthusiasm and empowerment. So, guardian, it was a fantastic year with your help. It can't be possible without your support. And today, enjoy the Kisle night. This is the Kisle evening, and these students are very little. बच्चे बहुत छोटे हैं, उनसे त्रुटियां होना स्वाभाविक है. बस आप इनसे मनोरंजन करिए और जो भी इनकी त्रुटियां हैं उसको अदरवाइज करिए. थैंक यू.